Just see the results that our students are getting who joined Shomu's biology coaching for 6-month period of time.
So I'm really thankful for Shomus Biology and I would suggest everyone to go for it.
A lot of help and support by Suman sir, always remembered in my mind.
The study materials I got helped me to understanding the topic very well, and the test series helped me to covering up the syllabus in a perfect time.
This is all because of the online test series.
In-depth knowledge what Shomu's Biology gave me. I want to thank Shomu Biology. I want to thank each and every member of Shomu's Biology for their effort, whatever they are putting on us.
And I am very much happy to choose Shomu sir for my CSIR NET GRF journey.
It really leveled up my preparation. I was confident on the day of exam.
The classes helped me a lot to understand my subject from very basics to advanced level.
So I really thanks Shomu sir and also ma'am for always guiding me.
I am the person who will help you reach to the pinnacle of your success and your journey for the CSIR NET Life Science examination. If you trust me, if you trust my lectures, then join Shomu's Biology online coaching. Registration is going on. The details are there in the description. Fill the form to reach out to us or simply contact the number given in this video. आपको coaching join करना है. If you want to join our coaching program from 17 to 25% up to 25% off for this upcoming session of CSIR NET online coaching life science program, then watch this video, because in this video I'm going to tell you how you are going to exactly get it. We have interactive lectures for all the 13 units of CSIR NET life science plus the paper 1. Plus we have dedicated biology math problem lecture series separately conducted. That is our exclusivity that we have. We have PYQ explanations at the end of every single lectures. We have previous year's questions, part C questions explained. You can ask anyone who has taken coaching from us that we answer and explain PYQ at the end of every single lecture. We have study guide videos to guide you to understand what to do, what not to do to prepare every single unit of the CSIR NET Life Science examination. And you have hard copy books. We provide 4 hard copy books delivered to your doorstep. You don't need to pay anything extra. Once you pay the amount for the coaching, all included. Hard copy books, these 4 books, Blueprint of Life Science book, green, red and yellow book, and this PYQ answer explanation book. Videos for all this is a package worth 10,990 at our website. It is available to buy separately as a recorded version. Test series we conduct separately. The price is 3,500. Hard copy books we sell separately. The price is 3,900. So now imagine what is the total amount adding all of them together. So that's approximately 11,000 plus 4, 15,000 plus 3, 18,500. So near about 18,500, approximately 18,500 rupees is the total cost if you want to buy individual packages separately. But if you join coaching at once, this fee is reduced directly to only 15,200. Now this amount these days, although people can afford 70,000, 80,000, 1 lakh mobile phone, but with EMI, but we cannot provide EMI. That's a problem from our side. We cannot provide it. So please don't request us for monthly installments. We cannot do that because we don't have option to do that. We can offer you either one-time payment, get the money in hand and make a one-time payment of 15,200 and get all the facilities, or we can offer you two installment part payments here. We can break it down to 8,000 rupees and 7,200 rupees. This is the option. This 8,000 rupees at the time of admission, and in the very next month, in 30 days, remember, you need to pay the rest 7,200 rupees. That is the maximum discount, the maximum installment that we can offer for you for our coaching program.